Let's do a Home Goods haul, part 1. So I went to Home Goods and got some stuff, and my voice is gone even though I went out 2 nights ago, not last night, but whatever. We're gonna go ahead and film this haul. The first thing I got is this wreath, hello, for Halloween. It's so cute. We have like a fall themed one, but we don't have a Halloween themed one, so I just thought I'd get something fun. I think I got 5 candles. This one is from Red Leaf Home, and I've had candles from them before, so I know I really like them. This is the Harvest Leaves scent, a rich blend of birch, clove, patchouli, and eucalyptus. Yeah, that smells so good. The next one is Cigar Lounge. I guess that's the brand. I don't know what the brand is, but the scent is Cigar Lounge. And this just smells really nice and fresh. This isn't really a fall scent specifically, but it smells really good. And then from Sensational, we have Pumpkin Patch. And that's just like that nice traditional fall pumpkin smell. I got another Red Leaf Home one. This one is Orange Cranberry. Oh, that smells so good. I think this is Red Leaf Home too, but it's just like their fancier glass line. And this is Wild Amber. And this one's very similar to the Pumpkin Patch one, but just a little sweeter. It's really nice. I think when this one's done, I'm gonna clean it out and keep this little container. It's really cute. Let's do a Home Goods haul, part 2. Next, I got this little spa pillow for the bath. I take more baths once it gets colder, but that'll be coming sooner than we know. This is from Creative Spaces, and it's just a really squishy pillow with suction cups, so it'll stick to the tub. And then I got these Rachel Zoe little skulls for Halloween decor. We don't have a lot of space to put decor, so I don't ever put a lot out, but I think these will just fit into my bookshelves over there really well and look super cute because they're pink, little pink and a coral scale, which is really cute. So everything else I got is kitchen related. We got a new citrus squeezer because we go through these, we're very hard on them. And our current one is probably about to die, so we just got a new one. I don't usually buy pasta at Home Goods or Marshall's, TJ Maxx, whatever, because I feel like it's still expensive. Like this was $5.99, which is so stupid. But this one has truffle in it, and I just thought that was interesting. So we're gonna give it a try. I got one of these avocado keepers, and I just think it's so cute. First of all, the little shape of it. But I only use like half or a quarter of an avocado at a time, so this is gonna be very handy. These are my favorite spice blends, and they are always at Home Goods and Marshalls. So anytime that we're there and I see these, I buy a bunch of them. So I got the Macaroni alla Napolitana, the La Bruschetta Piccanti, Risotto ai Funghi Porcini. I've never seen that before. Spaghettata del Pescatore, and then I bought every single one of the Aglio Olio Pepperoncini because that's my favorite.